Okay, so this is what needs to be done. Now, I disassembled this. This has to come off. Now, this cover is over here. It's attached with adhesive, so you peel this off. You have 4 screws over here to remove, and then you have 2 screws in here that have to come out. One here and one here, and then you could remove the whole unit. These 4 parts, these are the antennas, and they go into here, into these 4 compartments. Now, to fix this, what can happen is you have the connector. The connector can become widened over time when you plug and unplug the cord, so you need to press this. You could do it with your finger. Just press it here and here, put pressure on this and squeeze this. This can give the cable a tighter connection if it's too loose. Now, right over here, you have a reset button. You can push this as well. This is this. And you can push this. You see it's a button, and that can reset the device. So these 2 things can be the problem why it's not making a connection and not turning on. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.